Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this one is a Sarojini haul, as you read in the title, and I went to Sarojini in June. Yeah, June this year. So I guess about 6 months ago, and I shopped a lot, like a lot from Sarojini. So yeah, let me show you all the stuff that I've got with a try-on haul, and also I remember some of the shop numbers. Like, I'm very sorry, I don't remember each and every shop number, which piece I got from where, but I do remember some of them. So like, we entered Sarojini from gate 3 because whatever videos like about Sarojini and all, I had seen that most of the people were telling that you should enter from gate 3 because there are vendors sitting outside as well. But I think me and my mom, we went at about 10 or 10:30, 11 o'clock, and there were no vendors sitting outside, so I was kind of disappointed. But yeah, the first shop that we went was the one that was on the left side as soon as you enter gate number 3, and I got like very pretty stuff from there. Yeah, so the first piece that I got is this tube top. Like, this can also be worn as a skirt, but it's very pretty and it's stretchable. So yeah, this one was for 150, which is very good. I mean, the start was good. The next piece that I got was from the same shop. I got this halter neck kind of, not halter, I don't know, but yeah, close neck kind of a t-shirt, which is very pretty, and it has these buttons studded. So like, this is a major party outfit, and it looks very pretty. Like, this one also was for 150, and we bargained and got these two for 200. So yeah, like, the bhaiya reduced the price for us. One more thing from the same shop is I got this long black color dress because I don't have any black color dress. So this one is like really pretty, and the guy was saying that this one is for 400, but the moment you start walking, they're gonna be like, okay, we'll give it to you. So this one I got for 200 as well. So these two and this one for 400 together, which is a bargain. Like, for me it is. I don't know about the people who regularly shop from Sarojini though. The next piece is this very pretty Y2K kind of a slip top brown color, and it has these details over here. Like, it fits very perfectly, and this one was for only 100. I wish I had gotten this in, like, there were a few other colors in this, so I wish I had gotten those. And they are really good quality. Like, I don't know if people have, this is like, this does not seem it is second hand or yeah, hand me down kind of a thing. Yeah, then I got two shirts from, like, we went there on the second day, and then that day we entered Sarojini from like gate number 2. So there was one auntie sitting exactly near the entrance, and she had this huge pile of clothes, and usme se I found this shirt, and this is so pretty. Like, this is totally 2000s coded, plus it is stretchable, and it has a very nice snatched fit. This one was for 200. Like, इसमें bargain किया था, but auntie माने नहीं. She was like, लेना है तो ले लो. Kind of rude, but yeah, whatever. And the next one I got was this from the same place. This is also very pretty. I know I got both shirts which are lined, which have, yeah, like those vertical lines, but this one also has a very nice fit. So it's like very reasonable. This was for 100, and that one. Then I got two white pieces. So the first one is this top, which is kind of see-through, but it looks very pretty when, like, you wear it, style it with a skirt or something. So yeah, this. And the other one I got is this shrug kind of a thing, crop shrug thingy. This is also like net, but this one is like very durable, and I wore this during the trip only. So both of these I got for 200, which is a steal. totally. then I got these jeans. So I think this was from, I don't remember, I'm sorry. So these jeans, like, just passing by, and I saw these ones hanging on top of the shop. So like मैं उधर गई और मैंने भैया को पूछा वो वाली जीन्स दिखा ना. मैंने पूछा कितने की है, तो मुझे बोलता है 1200. So I just handed him the jean and I started walking. तो उन्होंने बोला आप कितने दोगे, तो मेरे मम्मी पीछे से बोले 250. And the भैया was like, वो भैया इतने शॉक हो गए कि ये मैडम क्या बोल रहे हो, 1200 से 250. एंड फिर हम लोग ने इतना बार्गेन किया एंड वो 200 में मान गई ये जीन्स के लिए. लाइक आई कैन नॉट बिलीव मेरे मम्मी का बार्गेनिंग पावर, सल्यूट है उनको. बट ये 1200 की वाइड लेग फिट जीन्स 200 में तो भाई कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, कहीं नहीं मिलती. ओनली इन सरोजनी आई गेस. एंड दिस फिट so perfectly, like length and lengthwise and waist say be this one fits very very well. So yeah, this one is great. Then I got this jacket kind of a thing, racing jacket. मुझे बस ये अच्छा लगा तो मैंने ले लिया. And along with this I also got another red color oversized jacket जो मेरे भाई ने ले लिया मुझसे. Both of these I got for 400 I think, वो जैकेट एंड ये. एंड ये मैंने ये हम लोग ने वो शॉप से लिए थे जहाँ पे सारे ऐसे ओल्ड जर्सीज एंड वो सब वार्सिटी वगैरह मिलते हैं, वहाँ से, वो वाली शॉप से. लाइक या आई गॉट दिस इज रियली गुड. आई मीन दिस लुक्स गुड. फिर गुफा वाली शॉप्स से आई गॉट दिस वन स्कर्ट. लाइक दूर से पोलका डॉट लगता है, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज a crown kind of a print, but it looks very pretty and it is mid length. So yeah, this one was for 100. And another formal kind of a skirt I got which was also for 100. This one, both I got for 100 and these are great quality. I got this cute little sweater vest for 150 and उनकी शॉप पे इतने cute sweater vests थे. I wanted to buy 2-3 more and this is actually very warm. तो यहाँ पे तो बहुत ठंडी पड़ती है, तो यहाँ पे ये layering के लिए this is just a perfect one. I got a swimming suit, like this white color swimming suit from the vendor standing across the incense store, I think. Yeah, incense store के सामने ही जो ये भैया खड़े रहते हैं, वो बहुत सारे like they have these swimming suits. So yeah, I got this one was for 250, which is good. I mean yeah, 250 में तो अच्छा ही है, but वो bargain नहीं कर रहे थे. So yeah, if you want to buy swimsuits you can also check out गेट के बाहर जो वेंडर्स बैठते हैं वहाँ पे. ऑल्सो आई सॉ सम रियली नाइस क्यूट black and pink polka dot swimsuit for 100, but I did not get it. So yeah, you can check out those. And then I got this bodysuit for 50 rupees because I do not have anything in lilac color, so I thought this was good. And this is Shein का bodysuit, but 50 rupees में तो भाई कहीं कुछ, 50 rupees में this is great. And last, no not last, I have one more thing. And then I got this halter neck top which has this chain which I am still figuring out कि ये कैसे पहनते हैं, क्योंकि this chain is like too long, so I don't know how to wear this thing. But I like the color, multicolor, so I just like got it. This one was for 400. I know this is quite expensive compared to the other ones, but I really like this one. And ये भैया माने ही नहीं वो. And lastly मैंने एक फॉर्मल पैंट्स खरीदे 100 रुपीज़ में. एंड आई विश कि मैंने और 2-3 खरीद लिए होते फॉर्मल पैंट्स, बिकॉज फॉर्मल पैंट्स यहाँ पे तो आई रियली रिक्वायर देम लाइक हियर एंड देयर. सो या, these are the formal pants that I got and I really had a good time in Sarojini. But इतना shopping करके भी I was like, I want to shop more, I should have shopped more. But yeah, next time whenever I'll go to Delhi, I'm going back to Sarojini. So yes, this was for the vlog guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and let me know in the comments if you want to see a thrift haul of all the clothes that I've got from thrift shops here in London. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.